I feel absolutely 100% more confident now than before.
Welcome to 360 Life Safety Immediate Responder Training. The only thing more tragic than a death is a death that could have been prevented. Serious injury can happen wherever we learn, work, play, or pray. In 2018, Michigan State Police reported over 300,000 crashes, over 75,000 injuries, and 974 fatalities. When seconds count, help is minutes away, and you own the problem until first responders arrive.
Post-training, I feel a lot more confident about being the person that needs to give a level of care that's needed when I show up on scene.
We've talked about it with our daughter. I feel like we can kind of use those skills together. Being prepared as a mom just kind of helps me keep her safer.
Because I live out in the country, and if my daughter or wife got injured, now I can give them the level of care that they need until EMS shows up.
I feel more confident in the ability to help.
We offer a three-tiered approach to training. First, we deliver knowledge and understanding through an interactive teaching format from our experienced professionals. Second, you watch exclusive proprietary videos filmed with our Special Forces medic that demonstrate specific techniques and applications of the products we offer. And third, you get to apply what you learn live on site with hands-on training.
After I came to this event, I was more confident. I also feel that my team was more confident. I brought 5 of my employees with me today. Learned so much about how to apply some of the things that are in the bag that we got.
Anyone can do it. Don't be afraid of it. I acquired stuff for my kit for my wife's car, my car, and then one for the farm. What helped me here was doing the hands-on. I can read anything, that's great, but I learned by doing. Unfortunately, things are going to happen, and now I feel I'm prepared.
My biggest challenge that I had prior to attending this class was not having the knowledge that I needed to have being a safety warden where I work.
I feel, now if I have a snowmobile, I do have a kid in it. If I rolled up on somebody, I feel that I could help them out.
Actually taking the course, it's explain more of why we do it and how we do it. More in-depth knowledge, pretty much to where anybody walking right off the street could understand it.
I feel like that I have the tools to put it on top of it and use it to stop the blood.
The biggest challenge I had before coming to this class was lack of reiteration of my training. If you've never done it before, the class is simple.
In my opinion, it's always best to have more knowledge, especially if we're ever faced with situations like this. There's really not an intuitive way on most, or the packaging or the equipment, that you can just figure out how to use it. This additional training makes me much more confident, not only in this training, but also in the CPR and AED training that I already received.
It would help if everyone had one of these kits prior to my arrival on the scene.
This reiteration has definitely helped me feel more confident. I think it should be almost at least like a yearly run through.
I feel very confident that I could make a difference. I would definitely step up, but I wouldn't hesitate.
It's what changed in coming to this today just gave me more confidence.
It wasn't that long of a class. You're not uncomfortable or anything like that.
What's changed after I attended this class is that I now know how to use the products.
As far as the class, there's no reason not to take it.
I think you should get it to be prepared at all times because you never know what can happen.
If you're on the fence, I would say go ahead and make that leap of faith. It is something that everybody should have the basic knowledge.
For anybody that is on the fence about doing this class, I would say absolutely do it.
Register for your immediate responder training at www.360lifesafety.com or call 844-483-6752. There's never a better time to prepare for the unforeseen than right now.